So when I come into hospitals, I am working with patients and staff to increase wellbeing through arts projects. We might one day be doing some dancing, we might be doing some mosaicing, we might be doing some painting, but the idea behind it is to be mindful, to increase relaxation, and just to take people's mind off of where they are just for a moment.
The aims of the arts in the hospital is to enhance environments, to enable patients to be creative. We can get patients to make a piece of art which we can then put on the wall. That's even better because it gives them ownership of the work that they are doing and the environments that they are going to be living in.
Our community hospitals have about 70% of the patients have some kind of cognitive impairment, so we want to be really inclusive in everything that we do. We often find that stories come out that from people's past, and they can start reminiscing and start remembering who they were. I was working with one lady who was quite depressed, and during the session she turned around to me and said, "Thank you, I now feel young again, and that is why I do this job."
What I try to do is take the patient on a journey with me, and I allow their creativity to flourish. And it's really nice when you get a patient that'll say to you, "I wasn't sure what we were doing, but I really get it now. I can see what we were trying to achieve." And they feel really good. And when they create a piece of work together and then they see that on the wall, that's something that they can be really proud of.
The Oxford Health Charity has been supporting a number of different art programmes across the Trust, and it's just been brilliant to see them develop. In our community hospitals, we've had some brilliant dancing and artwork and creative work that's really made a difference for patients to be able to see their artwork coming up on the walls of the community hospitals that they are actually in. In our mental health wards, we've had different projects coming in where the patients have been able to really engage with art to help them with their recovery journey. So they have been able to create things like mosaics and murals, which are then there for them to see and see how far they've come in their journeys.
I love working with staff and think it's really important within the hospital environment to look at staff wellbeing, and running dance sessions and also mosaicing have been found to really reduce stress.
Oh, it's really great to see everybody engaging and taking part. Angela does great work. Just encouraging the staff to get out and take 5 minutes break.
You come out of a really busy unit, and to come out and have the opportunity to do a little bit of relaxation, a bit of meditation, it really does help with mindfulness.
It makes you come alive, I don't know, feel fresh, revitalised.
It's been really useful and energising to come out and do some stretches with our colleagues. It's a time to sort of clear the mind when we've got potentially a stressful day ahead.
Yeah, I'm ready for the day now.
By providing lovely garden areas like this, it encourages staff to come out and spend a bit of time. It provides spaces for patients to exercise and walk around.
The power of art in this environment, I think, is similar to the power of nature, really, in that it can lift the spirit. It's a really lovely thing that some of us don't have much spirituality in our lives, so actually when you see a good bit of art, especially in public, like when it kind of catches you unawares, you're lifted by it, which is just a really positive thing, especially with healing in a hospital environment. It can be really powerful.
The Oxford Health Arts Partnership is an exciting new venture, taking the arts to a new level within the Trust, working with Angela on a variety of projects, which will be visual, which will be dance, which will be music. It's just a great time for the patients and for the staff.
So it's great that we're now working together, Tom and I, because we can be stronger together and really focus on bringing the arts to more people within the Trust.
Oxford Health Charity is really happy to be part of the newly formed Oxford Health Arts Partnership.
The future's really exciting for the arts within Oxford Health. We're really looking forward to working together. We're really looking forward to developing more opportunities for our patients and staff to take part in cultural activities and to enhance the space that we work in.